Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's still Moshe TV here again. So this week you decided to embark on a road trip or road tour from Onitsha to Awka to see the level of work that is currently going on. For some years now, work has been going on within this Awka or Onitsha Express road, and some part has been completed while some has not been completed. So we decided to embark on this road tour to see the level of work that is going on and the ones that is remaining. So the place we just passed is building materials, and we also passed Ogunwasike. Now going towards toll gates, Onitsha Anambra toll gates, not Asaba toll gates. So from there we head to Nkwere GRA to Nkwere Junction, then Tempo, then to what is it called, to Odumodu Junction. So let me quickly give you a quick recap on what you saw during this our road trip, and you can continue watching the rest of the video. So from our road trip and what we see so far, everybody know that this particular lane that we are making use of now have been tied from Onitsha down to Awka. This particular one lane has been completed for some time now, for like, let me just say, is it 3-4 years or going to 4 years or more than 4 years now? This particular lane has been done and completed. So then the other one has not been completed. A lot of work is still going on there, though at a point they stopped working, at a point they started again. So the way the current work is currently going on now is on our way going to Awka. We saw that there's no work going on within as from Odumodu Junction down. We didn't see anything, but the road has been scraped for years now, but nothing is currently going on there. So where they are currently are now, like where they started their work now, is in front of this thing, Njiko Awka local government. Njiko Awka local government is where they are currently are right now. That is where they have started work. They completed the one at Amobia flyover Awka. Not completely completed, you understand, but at least the road has been completed, and the gutter remaining some certain things to be completed. So they left that location, then moved down to Njiko Awka. Then from Njiko Awka local government, that is where they are currently doing the road from down to Awka side again. So from Njiko Awka is where we see that work is currently going on. So from Njiko Awka down to Amobia flyover, that is where you will they are currently building right now. So that is much we have seen. So the work, this one lane you are seeing right now started from around somewhere from before Odumodu Junction. That is where this particular road started when they were building it. So if you are coming from Onitsha, the road is double lane, like everybody know. So motorists are making use of the double lane as normal, but immediately you get to Odumodu, everybody starts running one way. So once you get to Odumodu, it becomes a one-way journey. So people that is going to Awka is running their normal lane, then people that are coming back from Awka is now following one way due to the other road is not good. So it extends like that till Amobia. It extends that one lane till Amobia junction. So that is where you will stop seeing motorists coming from Awka or Enugu running one way. So starting from Odumodu junction down to Awka, motorists are still running one way due to what? The road has not been completed. So motorists follow one way starting from Odumodu junction to Awka. That's what you find out. And also we also pass through the road that leads to the Anambra International Cargo Airport. So we pass through there and so many other places. As you can see in the video, you can see that motorists are passing one way. So we have already left Odumodu junction. So from here you can see that all the motors are now running one way. The other side of the road has not been completed. This is the only part that has been completed, and this one is the one that is heading to Awka, not the one that is coming to Onitsha. So that is it. So over here is the Anambra International Cargo Airport. This is the road that leads to the Anambra International Airport. So that's all we have for now, but we will still be talking in the video until we give you the final update. But all I can say that they did not stop the work. Currently work is going on. They started, like we said earlier, they started from Njikoka local government down towards Awka currently. So that is where they are currently are right now. So let's continue watching the video until we get to any other place we need to talk to you. So
just so I can hold you closer. Hold my heart just so I can feel it break. I'm a lot, but I would never be a loner. To never love in all of my days. Bleed is my darkest, love is the hardest. The faster, faster, faster I go. Gold in my pocket, I made a promise, and harder, harder, harder I hold. Love all I can, love it till my love runs out. Give all I can, give it till I hit the ground. Never love myself enough to let it down. I love until I'm never the count. Ooh, I love until I'm never the count. I love until I'm never the count. Let the water pull me deep under the current, but I won't let myself come on up for air. Give too much even though you never earned it. Sometimes I wish that I didn't care. Bleed is my darkest, love is the hardest. The faster, faster, faster I go. Gold in my pocket, I made a promise, and harder, harder, harder I hold. Love all I can, love it till my love runs out. Give all I can, give it till I hit the ground. Never love myself enough to let it down. I love until I'm never the
So like we said earlier, starting from Njikoka local government is where the work is currently going on, down to Awka. After Njikoka local government down to Onitsha, nothing is going on there right now, but they have scraped everywhere. Like, it's not that they scrape it to a level, they scraped it before, and during raining season everything got scattered before they now left it. So here now is the Amobia. Here is the Amobia, and from here right now is where the motorist starts taking one way down to Onitsha. If you watch closely to the on this road, this place is Amobia flyover. If you watch closely, the other side of the road has been tied already, but a lot of things like the gutters has not been finally completed. You understand? I don't think if you guys can see it. If you watch closely, the gutter has not been completed. I think inside the gutter, the other side of it, if you watch closely, you can see it. So I think later on they will come and complete this particular part, but the road has been tied. But motorists are not yet making use of the other side of the flyover. They are making use of the other side. Like if you are going to Awka, you can fly above the flyover, but if you are going to Onitsha, that part is blocked for now, so it has not been opened. So, and here right now is the Awka. We have passed Amobia. This is Awka, so we are heading towards Ngozika Estate, Udoka Estate. From there we head to Kwata. From Kwata we head to Unizik Junction. From Unizik Junction we head to Regina. From Regina then we stopped our tour at Aroma Junction. At Aroma Junction is where we stopped our tour for the day. So this is the latest updates we have for you. So just remember what we said earlier. Before Njikoka local government, nothing is currently ongoing. Then after Odumodu down to Onitsha, their place has not been touched for years. It has not been touched. Like what is currently there is the old tie that has been there before. They has not touched it. There has not, nothing is currently ongoing over there. So but we pray that they will not stop just like before, that this time around they will complete everything before they will leave. So that's our prayer, so that the road will be completed and the motorists will have full access of the boat road. I think here now is the Kwata Junction. This is the flyover in Kwata. We have, I think this flyover is currently three in Awka, one at Amobia, one at Kwata, and one at Aroma Junction. So this place is Kwata Junction. Here now is Kwata Junction. So from here now you head to Unizik Junction. So that's all we have to tell you guys. So in my next video I will also be bringing to you the the current update, the most recent update we got from the current construction going on within the Federal High Court axis down to the new government house, Awka. So we also went there to see the level of the work that is currently ongoing, and what we saw there is satisfying. So in our next video we will show you the update, what we saw, and the level of the work that is going on there. So over here is the Unizik Junction. Here is the Unizik Junction. This is leg over. This one is not flyover for motorists. This one is leg over for kind of a pedestrian bridge or something like that. So, and this particular one was constructed by Nwabeze Ngige. Then all those flyover were constructed by the past administration, which is Obiano. So the leg over was constructed by Chris Nwabeze Ngige. So after the like I said earlier, after the Unizik Junction, we head to Regina. So I think we just passed Regina Junction. Then we are heading to Aroma. So guys, and this is where we ending this video. Watch the remaining one completely. Please, like I used to beg you guys, don't forget to watch, share, comment, like, and also subscribe. Don't just watch and leave. If you want to keep us motivated to continue showing you this kind of videos, to travel to any to some parts where our currency can currently our money can currently take us to get you this kind of video, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment in order to keep us motivated to give you more content. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day, guys. See you next time. Bye.